One of the main reasons I wanted to get you on here is because Ritasha Rathore is also a brilliant actor. We all know this. We are finally seeing it like in ways that, in roles that deserve your talent. So for me, so I have acted a little bit, and I do, and it's been fun so far, but I know so much of why I'm able to enjoy my acting parallel career, because it's not my main hustle. I want to tell you two feelings, two context I want to
Please.
tell you, and with that, you tell me where you're at about this. One, that this is especially when you live in Mumbai, so many people who are wanting to be actors, right? And especially in our fields of work and all. I was interviewing Nawazuddin Siddiqui for something, and in some question, I asked him something to do with when you became an actor. फिर आपने कुछ कुछ कुछ, and he said actor तो मैं था ही, काम नहीं था बस. And I was like, ये भी एकदम सही बात. So right now I feel like uh, acting especially, I find so hard as a profession to pursue. You really have to want it, because, and correct me if I'm wrong, because there is such little in your control. You're the last piece of the puzzle almost. Somebody else has to find you, then somebody else has to write for you, somebody else directs, and then you just have to show up and make the most of it, I guess. So in that, how do you navigate a career that is so unpredictable and still sort of keep at it?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't have the answer either. Which is why I think the only thing that helps me cope is to constantly put positive energy into this journey. क्योंकि मतलब this is such a random luck based, opportunity based, right place, right time, talent. ठीक है, talent is not that important also. Luckily, we are talented. We are good at the job. After 6 years of hustle, of
Yeah.
like working, audition, lots of plays, one whole TV serial. I've been a fucking TV serial.
We
I
have to
can't
talk
believe
about
it.
that in a second. Yeah.
Like that blows my mind. Like I would have never done it or never thought of doing it, but I did it anyway because acting करनी ही थी ना.
Mm-hmm.
So I never wanted to be like, oh, मुझे स्टार बनना है. Like बचपन में सोचा था हाँ मैं दीपिका पादुकोण जैसी हीरोइन बनूंगी. When I was like, fuck that. अपन को अच्छा काम करना है क्योंकि ये सब भी हीरोइन बन के फिर प्रोड्यूसर बन के अच्छा काम ही करना
हाँ,
चाहते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
सबको
गोल इज
एक्चुअली
सेम.
अच्छी स्टोरीज बोलनी है. Everybody wants to fucking make a difference and use their voice for change. It's just that the journey everyone's taken is मैं मॉडल, मैं हीरोइन, मैं आइटम गर्ल, फिर सब आते हैं लाइन पे. अपन ऑलरेडी लाइन पे है. That's when to keep coming back and grounding oneself to the journaling, to the self talk, to the harness the power of your subconscious mind. You can do it. If you think it, it is yours. You already have it. All this, all this I have to do just to be okay with being a freelance actor. And it's not a lot. I can't sit and complain. I'm a working actor most of the time, which is again a very small percentage of actors are working actors.
But at no point do you feel like, I know, like we've had this one conversation, I don't know if you remember, where you were almost just like there is nothing else that you are necessarily not skilled, but
Good
nothing else
at.
you necessarily think can pursue
Yeah, I'm only
except for
qualified
acting.
to act. Yeah, but now that things are opening up and the world is opening up, and acting is not the only form of performance or
Yeah, I was just
storytelling
getting to
or
that.
getting across to an audience,
Yeah.
that is changing for me also. Like, I would love to try comedy. I'd love to try spoken word poetry. I mean, I have a podcast, so that's a nice place to be. I
Hmm.
want to produce, I want to do sketches,
Yeah.
want to do more stuff like that where we can make work for ourselves also
Yeah.
because no need to be waiting and be dependent on being that last piece of that puzzle.
It's
Because then
harrowing. And I
you
feel like,
feel, yeah.
and especially in the audition processes, like, like something like you think you have given a really cool one, but then radio silence, and then something like obscure that you did sort of at a friend's house just because somebody called you, or फिर madam आप आ जाओ इस दिन की डेट से ये पे. What is the science behind it? How to do this?
There is no science. That's what, like, you can give the best audition, and they will also maybe sometimes be like, oh no, this one's performance is the best, लेकिन इसका look सही है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
So, so
बिल्कुल.
dumb shit like that. Like, now I've become okay with the whole thing. Ki, like, the role that's meant to come to me, there's nobody who can take it away from me. And if a role is
Absolutely.
not meant for me, there's no chance in the world I can do it. It's not possible.
But do you take rejection well, professionally or
Now, yeah,
personally?
of course I do, because I've been trained at being rejected since high school when all the boys I liked never liked me back. So मैं rejection में माहिर हूँ.